In this video, I will show you how to create a Temu account. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to create an account on Temu, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up an internet browser and come across to temu.com. I'll be showing you how to do this today on a PC, but the steps are the same if you're on a mobile device. Now, once you come across to here, you're going to see an option at the top to sign in or register for an account. So what you want to do first is give that a click. And then what you can do is enter an email or phone number to sign up with, or alternatively, you can sign in or register with a Google, Facebook, or Apple account. What I'm going to do is just start with an email address. I'm just going to enter my email and then press the continue button underneath. Then what you need to do is go ahead and choose a password. And once you've done that, just come down and click onto the orange sign in button. At this point, what's going to happen is a code is going to be sent to your email address. So what you want to do is enter that code to verify your email. After you've done that, you'll be automatically signed in and you are now good to go. So as you can see, we can hover over, you can see my account up here. And then what we can do is just start shopping on Temu. So that is how to create a Temu account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.